Merry Christmas Eve, everybody, and good morning. I just got back home. I had to run out and do a couple things. It's like 9:30, and I have to wrap my gifts for my family that I'm seeing tonight. I have to clean. I want to do my nails. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do. And then, so about the drunk gingerbread house thing, here is what happened. Vinny and I did the Q&A first, and then we were like, okay, then we'll do the gingerbread houses. I'm an idiot. I opened the gingerbread houses and you have to make the frosting, which meant we had to hand beat egg whites until they were stiff. And at that point it was really late and we were already a little drunk and I was tired, and I was like, no, we won't do this tonight. We'll do it tomorrow night. Following day, I was working all day, and then I came home and I just was so exhausted. I just could not get myself to get my shit together, because we still have this stuff, obviously. So I mean, even though it's going to be after the holidays, let me know if you guys would still want to see the gingerbread house challenge, because we were actually really excited to do it, just like the timing didn't work out. So I figured I would vlog this morning. I'm gonna go inside now. I'm gonna start cleaning before I start wrapping. I need like a clean slate, and then I can start doing the stuff I need to do. So let's go ahead, let's go inside and go.